Hey everyone! Welcome to this tutorial on how to create an NFT collection using Metaplex on the Solana blockchain. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of minting multiple NFTs as part of a collection. Let's get started. Step 1. Importing dependencies. First, we import the necessary libraries. Metaplex and keypair identity from @metaplexfoundation/js to interact with Solana NFTs. Connection, cluster API URL, and keypair from @solana/web3.js to connect to the blockchain and manage keys. Base58 to decode the private key from base58 format. Step 2. Setting up the wallet. We define a private key in base58 format and decode it using bs58.decode. This allows us to create a wallet using Solana's keyPair from secret key method. After initializing the wallet, we log the wallet's public address to confirm that it is correctly set up. This wallet will be used to sign transactions and mint NFTs. Step 3. Initializing Metaplex. Now we initialize Metaplex, a powerful framework that simplifies NFT creation on Solana. We use metaplex.make.connection, .use, .keypair, identity.wallet to create an instance of Metaplex and link it to our wallet. This enables us to manage NFTs, including minting, updating, and transferring them. Step 4. Defining NFT metadata. We create an array called metadata URIs, which contains links to NFT metadata stored on Arweave. These URIs define key details such as the NFT's artwork, name, and description. Additionally, we define the NFT collection's name and symbol. The collection is named BRDigitech Collection. The symbol is BRD. This information will be embedded into each NFT we mint. Step 5. Minting NFTs. The Mint NFTs function is responsible for minting our NFTs. We loop through the metadata URIs and create each NFT with the following properties: a unique name, numbered within the collection, a 5% royalty fee for secondary sales mutability enabled, allowing future updates, a maximum supply of 1 per NFT, the mint and update authority set to our wallet. After each NFT is successfully minted, we log its address to the console. Now we will walk through to our NFT's metadata JSON files. Now we will run the script by node nft-collection.js command. Then we will wait for some seconds for all the NFTs to be minted. Okay guys, all NFTs are minted. Now we will see our collection on SolScan. Here are the details of the collection which we had made. In this video, we had learned how to make NFT collection using Metaplex. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates.